Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Roblox avatar. So first, you're going to go to the avatar section here. And for instance, if you want to buy items, you're just going to get some stuff first from the characters. If not, maybe like this one you're just going to select it and you're going to select get. These ones are like free, the Serena one as well, free, and then get. You'll be able to find like their items in your inventory. So go to customize. Okay, it's a little bit, it's a lot. Here in head and body, you'll see that you get like Cindy's head, Lindsay's head, and the woman's face, sorry. Just like whichever one you want. I still prefer like actually this one's pretty cute, but her face is like just so big, like this base. Okay, so there you have like hair. You can also purchase them, but I don't wanna. You have these ones, just like whichever one you want. I actually quite like this one. So we also can change the skin tone into these colors. You can also advance to just like the head, the torso, left arm, etc. You can also select from these classic heads, classic faces as well. Adjust the torsos. Oh dear God. I'll just use the classic one here, the normal one, I guess. And here you can kind of adjust the arms as well. Moving on to clothing, tops, outerwear. I don't have any because not yet, I guess. But you have some shirts as well here, classic t-shirts, some classic pants that you can get from characters as well. You'll also have accessories here. As you can see, animations and stuff like that. And once you're done, you're just going to go back and it's going to be the new avatar for you. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!